As you lie comfortably stretched on your mat, imagine your body starting to soften and relax. Go ahead and take a deep breath in through your nose and count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And slowly breathe it out your mouth to the count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take a few breaths just like that as you gently settle into your mat and close your eyes. As you close your eyes, begin to imagine your mat is a blanket and you're looking up at an emerald green covered tropical rainforest. It's a very soft and comfortable blanket, and you feel completely relaxed. The blanket is made up just for you, woven in all of your favorite colors. Your whole body is relaxed on your special blanket. Your toes and feet are relaxed. Your legs are relaxed. Your bottom, back, tummy, and chest feel soft and relaxed. Your fingers and hands are relaxed. Your arms and shoulders are relaxed. Your whole face is relaxed. Your eyes, ears, nose, cheeks, mouth, tongue, teeth, lips, relaxed. Your whole body is soft and relaxed on your blanket. Now see yourself looking up to canopies of hanging moss covering the trees. The air is damp and you can see the mists of fog as you look around the trees. You feel safe and relaxed here, and you can get off your blanket and walk around the rainforest. You feel the soft, mossy forest floor squish between your toes and the soles of your feet. This forest is full of tall trees. You hear the sounds of the birds and the soft, gentle ripples of flowing water off in the distance. You smell the scent of evergreen trees and rain in the air. You walk over to a beautiful creek and see a magical waterfall. You walk around until you come to a very special place. This place you found is just for you, and here you find all the things and people that you love. You feel safe and at ease here. You have several moments to enjoy your special place. Now it's time to return. Take a moment to remember all the sights, sounds, and smells of your special place. Say goodbye to the people there and slowly turn and start walking back towards your blanket. You walk past the babbling creek and the beautiful waterfall. You walk past the smells of the evergreen trees and the dew in the air. You hear the birds and the ripples of the creek off in the distance. And you make your way back to your blanket and lie gently back down, bringing you right here back into this room. As you lie there, thank your blanket for bringing you to this special place, and know that you can come back here at any time you like. Slowly begin to wiggle your toes and fingers. Roll over to your side, and when you're ready, flutter your eyelids and open your eyes, and bring yourself up to a sitting position.